Hello and good day, dear customers. Welcome to our HAWO Academy. My name is Dirk Finkenrath, and on today's tutorial I would like to present to you our sealing tongues HPL WSZ. Our HAWO Plus sealing tongues, here HPL WSZ, is suitable to seal heat sealable films, and in particular, like in our example, coated aluminium films. The sealing tongues in our example has a width of 400 millimeters, but is also available in sizes 200 and 300 millimeters. Application and first use is very simple. Only a suitable power supply is required, in our case 230 volts. Once connected, the sealing tongues heat up automatically. The desired welding temperature can be chosen on the dial. A special feature on this model example here are the Teflon coated heating stamps. This serves in particular to reduce adhesion to the heating bars, as well as provides even more optimized sealing results. In our application example, we will be connecting the sealing tongues to a power supply, and as you can see, instantly the sealing tongues are showing that the system is switched on and heating up. For our application example, coated aluminium film, we will be using around 150 degrees and adjust this temperature on the dial. The sealing tongues are now heated up, and for our example we will be filling now this product into our prepared coated aluminium film and place it between the heating bars. Please take care, caution is advised. The sealing tongues have now a temperature beyond 60 degrees. Please close the sealing tongues and keep them a couple of seconds in this position, then open. The perfect sealing seam has been created. For more ease in sealing tongue application, you see here demonstrated our HAWO table clamp for our sealing tongues. This allows even seated operation. Here an example. And the perfect result. Thank you for watching, and just a final tip. Do you actually know our innovative NanoPack family, now available in customized color schemes? For more information, please use the link below.